before I forget, you may have noticed that I'm not using a sharpening stick or one of those, you know, gridded sharpening sticks that you have to use some kind of oil or WD-40 to lubricate. Using a honing rod like they use in kitchens. This is a tip I got from Press X Props. I forget exactly how he explained it, but this sharpens the blade instead of wearing down the blade. To sharpen it, it sharpens it to a different kind of point. There's just there's an overall different method to the madness when it comes to using a honing rod compared to a sharpening stick. Like, I think I have one. Yeah, one of these guys. I'm sure you've seen everyone use one of these. I stopped using it probably whenever he posted the video a while ago. I've been using one of these for a while, and I've noticed a difference. I'm not going through blades nearly as fast. Blades are lasting longer. I don't need to sharpen them as frequently, even though I really should sharpen them more frequently than I do, but I don't have to. So yeah, try one of these out. I don't know where you can get them. Pretty sure you can get them at any kitchen aisle at any grocery store. But yeah, honing rod. Who knew?